What's up, everybody? I'm Kid Wakanda, and this is my project, Kurama. Oh, before I forget, this is my friend Yeeker. He's helping me out with changing the suspension on Project Kurama. Yes, I'm changing the name because I thought it'd be cooler. Or maybe I'm just going to give it multiple names, and one's going to stick one day. Who knows? Today we're changing the rear suspension because I forgot to record us changing the front suspension. But it's also going to be a small walkthrough of how you're supposed to change the suspension on this particular car. It'll probably be helpful for any other car, but this is for this one specifically. So let's get into it. So, as you can see, now the job is done. The new suspension is put in. I forgot to mention that the suspension that I use is the Tane Street Basis Z. So what it is, it's not a complete coilover kit. They make you use the top hat, the OEM parts of the original suspension, but it does make for a pretty good budget saver for those who kind of start building a car on a budget. And so that way you can do things pretty cheaply. And so until next time. Oh.